In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a NinjaTrader account. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website, so ninjatrader.com, and then from here you want to go to the top right and click on Open Account. Now once you do this, it's going to prompt you to actually sign up using your email. So you have three options. You can go and use your email and then of course create the password, etc. You could sign up with Google, so if you click on over here, you can then select your Google account and sign in with that, or you could also go and sign up with Apple if you want to use Apple as well. So it's completely up to you. I'm just going to go with the standard email for now. So what I'm going to do here is just type in my email. Now I'm going to use my Yahoo Mail for this because I don't have an account there. So I'm actually going to type it in. So just like this, you want to type in your email like that. Of course, whatever it is, it's going to work with any email you have, and then click on the sign up button. Then you have to confirm your email address. So as you can see, you have to click the link inside your email inbox. So you just want to go to your inbox and wait for the email to arrive. For me, I actually just opened it and it's going to look exactly like this over here. There we go, as you can see, and you want to click on confirm email address. And that's going to basically confirm it. So then you have to set your username and the password. I'm actually going to name myself Instant How To, and then YouTube, or for example, just Instant How To. Let's just do Instant How To, okay? I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Then the password over here can be whatever you want it to be. So I'm actually going to just type in a password, which I just made up, something random. And of course, you have to read and agree to their terms of service and conditions. So click on all of these and agree to them. So basically, read them through. And if you do agree, click on I agree over here, the check mark, and that's essentially basically what you have to do. Then hit this create user button over here. It's going to log you in. It's going to say new account created, and then it's going to start loading, and then there we go. As you can see, it's going to say ready to go, and you can select what you want to do here. You can start with simulated trading, and of course you can launch this simulator by clicking over here, or you could go and open an account. Okay, so as you can see, I just launched this simulator over here, which kind of allows me to simulate. It's still loading, or you can of course go and create a account and open it. Okay, so let me go back. There we go. This is your simulator, which you can then use as well if you wanna. Or again, you can hit the open account up here or open account down here. Now, if you log into your account again, so you go back and basically log in, you'll also get the access to your NinjaTrader dashboard, which looks like this. You can always come here by going to this link and of course sign into your account, where you can see your simulation balance and of course your unrealized P&L, trading, etc. Everything is in here. And of course, if you want to start live trading, you can always start the application by clicking over here and get applied for a real live account as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.